15, y'all.
Welcome back to the Haole vlog. Another fun and exciting week coming at you. This is week 15. Week 15. This is the last week of school before finals week. This semester has gone so fast. I feel like we just got here. Seriously. I think I've said that before, but time is flying. Our time here is basically halfway over. It's going very quick, so we gotta capitalize on our time here. We gotta take advantage of every moment. Okay, I'm done.
Today.
It's hot today.
I'm sweating.
Winter here is a myth. It's hot. Oh.
Today we are in Pearl City. We're going putt-putt golf at Tropics. And Jeremy's gonna try his hardest, and I'm still gonna beat him.
No.
And then we're gonna go to Ulta real quick for me. I don't know what I'm getting. I just need something.
Okay, let's go putt-putt.
And we're eating ice cream.
I'm trying my hardest, but I'm actually just gonna let her win. Don't tell her.
What?
Oh, look at that volcano.
What'd you say, don't tell?
What?
What'd you say? Seriously, what did you say?
Going into the 10th hole. After the front 9, I'm up by 2 strokes. BREE's having a rough day on the greens. Ah, God.
Oh, more like he is. I almost got a hole in one, and Jeremy sucks. No, you're allowed to pull it. You're allowed to put it where you can fucking
play it as it lies.
Babe, I can't hit it like that.
She's cheating.
Did you see this rock?
It's over here. It went in the hole.
No, it didn't.
You're right. BREE's making me wear her purse so she doesn't have to carry it.
What a sweetheart.
BREE made a miraculous comeback somehow. We're on the last hole and she's up by a 1, so it all comes down to this. The loser has to
ice cream.
The loser has to buy ice cream. Oh, I can't lose. I could tie it here, or I could lose the game. Oh my God.
God damn it.
I lost anyways.
You really lost. Jesus.
Let's go get some ice cream. Get your head out of the gutter. So I lost. So I had to buy ice cream. Now, what are we doing?
Ulta. We're going to Ulta. Because I need to get something, but I don't know what I need to get yet.
Send it. All right, we went to Ulta. BREE got the stuff she needed. Then we went to Buffalo Wild Wings, got some good dinner. Now, BREE's gonna try and drive us back home. After her last driving experience, I feel confident that she can get us there.
Aw, that's sweet.
But we'll see. Good morning, guys. We're doing a sunrise hike this morning. In a few minutes, we're gonna be at the top of that mountain right there. Just a few minutes. Just a few thousand steps. halfway. Actually, we're like 3/4 of the way. But it's brutal. It's just stairs all the way up. It's like 1,000 stairs.
It's 1,050 stairs, exactly.
And it's pretty much vertical. But we got some sick views. Made it to the top. Got some sick views up here. So we've gone on hikes, we've gone to beaches, we've gone shopping, we've done some cooking. We've done so many things in these vlogs, but you guys should tell us what you think we should do more of. What do you want to see more of? Do you guys want to see more beaches? Do you want to see more hikes? Do you want to see more stuff in our apartment? More stuff around Waikiki? Do you want to see more GoPro footage, more drone footage? We could start doing like couples tutorials. I don't know. There's so many things we could do.
That would be cool.
Leave a comment below and just give us some suggestions. Or we could just keep doing what we're doing right now, and we could just do kind of a mixture of everything. So tell us what you think.
Yeah, so tell us what you think.
So Bree's in a marine biology class, and one of her homework assignments is to go to the aquarium. So that's what we're doing now. We're gonna go check out the Waikiki Aquarium and look at some fish. And what else are we doing there?
Homework. Poor seal.
Alright, we're all done at the aquarium. That was a fun time. This was a fun week, once again. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you subscribe or I'm gonna be mad. You don't want that.
So scary.
Okay, we'll see you guys next week.
Bye.
See ya.
Bye.
Okay.